ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ISTV Manipuri pau yang tabire punamapu taram upjari ngasti gi maru eba pauda Manipur gi culture amasung chinjak Southeast Asian lebak singa manabana India gi Act East policy chatnarakpada Manipur na khwaidagi khudong saba phangani haina China gi India da ambassador oiriba Liu Cheng na phongdokre amadi Assam Rifles na mayumdagi kauthokhiba miyoi ama lalhaubani haina police ka sinaraba thawongbu yaningda phongdoktuna warukok Santipur da khongjang changsinkhre Pau Sandokna Pizari Manipur gi culture amasung chinjak Southeast Asian lebak singa manabana India gi Act East policy chatnarakpada awang nongpok state singi manungda Manipur na khwaidagi khudong saba phangani haina China gi India da ambassador oiriba Liu Cheng na phongdokre Numit Marini gi khongchata Manipur Sangai Festival ga mari leinana Imphal da laklamba Liu Cheng na ngasi classic randa pangthokpa paugi mifam amada wafam asi phongdokhibani Manipur ga China ga gi marakta mari fagatna ba cultural exchange dakar oi India gi jewel ni hairiba Manipur asengba jewel ni haiba numit marini gi khongchat asida uba fangle lamdam asigi isai jagoi sana khona ba chinjak amadi miyam gi hospitality na lamkoiba sing lakning hali mahusaga mari leinaba khusem gi nattaba fajaba sina eco tourism gi paradise oigani haiki maha ki khongchat asida Manipur gi chief minister ga su unaduna Act East policy lakpada leibak ani gi marakta hena phabamari thamnana bagi matangda kupna khanaki India ki Prime Minister Narendra Modi na China khongchata border issue amasung ecological balance thamnabagi hiramda wa khanaki leibak ani gi ngamkhaida leiramba issue loisinduna border trade hena fagadhan bangamle hawjik maru oiriba si Manipur amasung China yauna Southeast Asian leibak singa aphaba mari thamnana ba cultural exchange amadi lambi thong hena fagadhan bachangi haiki
因为它在东北印度的东北地区我们都没有来过
Our discussion with Chief Minister covered a lot of ground, including Manipur's economic and social development, its cultural commonalities and historical links with China, the bright prospect for our cooperation.
Okay.
When we are talking about a big country like India, then states and cities level cooperation is crucial. During Prime Minister Modi's visit to China in May this year, the two countries established a local leaders forum, which is held annually.
我们都通过双方的有效的合作机制来实现。
If there is any question about environmental protection or construction on the rivers, that can be properly handled through these bilateral mechanisms. That as two ancient civilizations, China and India have every wisdom and capability to find out a solution.
这个有很多争议的，这个有争议，有分歧。但
India's policy change from look east to act east signals India's willingness to step up exchanges and links with neighboring countries, especially Northeast Asia and East Asia.
东北地区我们都没有来过，所以我们非常。
State government and Chief Minister of Manipur for inviting me to visit your beautiful state and attend the Shanghai Festival.
Shugunu Kendra gi manung chanba warukok Santipur laikai athokpam anan apokpa laikhidraba lukhoibu Assam Rifles na yuma matakpiu haina kauthoklaga pukhraba matung pripak progi overground ni haina Shugunu police ta sinaramba thong yaningda phongdoktuna miyam na wakan mifam stathakre Shugunu warukok Santipur community hall da stathakiba wakan mifam aduda anan athoba matamda condition yaudana thadu mahak micham ni haiba play card sing thetki nupi amana ISTV news ta phongdorakpada tha astiki tang kun Taruki Nongalamdai Pung Anirom Taba Adwaida Pangal Tabida Leba Kunitoi Shuba Assam Rifles ki Kangbu ama laglaga Mioi amagi yum takpiu haina kauthoklaga pukhibani Anan mayum makai panduna machamasu leiraba mioi ni ngagi farm tawduna hingnana ba honariba misak amani asigumba mioi amada maral pisinduna phaba punba yaningde mahaku thadok taba tarabadi akanba khongjang changsingani haiki Anan giloina binasu mahaki mapuroiba kanagumba lup amataga samnaba mi nate imung manung puba ngamnana ba kanna sunomduna leiriba mioi ni haiki
ngaida laaga namna pore sai sutum ngaida ado wi jangai ne baba piu na kappada ingonda anjanbada ai kamaina yumda jandara ngara dani ngasi ho anga ngedo kappada baba piu na kappe ai kariana kumduna ai bang Karatura tadong piro ay dahin ay sorry. Yaninde. Anan. Mararage. Isam phaba. Yaninde.
Education yaudana chawkhatpa khunai ama semgatpa oithoklok hena Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam na phongdokre ngasi El Amen Dr. Mamta Ahmad Khan Educational and Welfare Trust na sinduna DM Science ki multi-purpose hall da pangthokiba Educational Convention haudopagi thoramda wafamasi Minister na phongdokhibani thoramasida MLA Fazur Rahim Helim Chowdhury Dr. Muhammad Hani Dr. Rahizuddin Su saruk yaki Gaikhangam na makhatana Laibagama Aphaba Awanba Purakna Bohonabada Education ki Pibam Hana Fagaran Bachangi Education ki Pibam Pagalabadi Furup Masel Amata Oina Punsinduna Amata Oina Tabak Tomina Badasu Mateng Oigani Haiki Ngasi amasung haying Imphal la pangthokadoriba All India State Government Employee Federation gi miphamga Manipur Government ki employees singi apex body ama oina leiriba Joint Administrative Council ga karigumba hiram amatada mari leinade hairi JAC gi member amatana sigumba mifam asida yauroi Kanagumbana JAC asigi maming season aduna yawba tawiganu Kanagumbana JAC gi banner makhada amadi letter head na chingba season aduna JAC gi mingchat sokadaba thong satharam labadi makhoi gi mathakta thabak lokhatkani hairi je aten bre matak lozari Thangwaiban by election ga mari leinana election commission gi yathangi matung inna chatakhiba drive ta fagat khiba u liter chamri rom ngasi excise department mai thaduna manghan khre Imphal West ki Nodal Officer Oiriba Deputy Superintendent of Excise NG Prahalat na phongdorakpada election gamari leinana sathakhiba drive aduda mioi nifudagi yungau singa se fagatuna sale oina lupa listing yangkhai mathoi chartered fine thian ki hairi
yuli mi nifu phagi ko mioi nifudagi khoina yu liter punna chamri rom si khoina phagat pungam ki aduga loina na paisana Mokhoidagi jari goina fine tawdana lupa lising yang khai mathoi ga satret sarkar da kahan mungam kre exercise na ko
Tha sigi tang kun tarukta thambal chingya dagi chanambam gambini bu thang na thinduna hatpada chenabani haiba miyo yamangarang miyam na phubudagi laikan nabangam dana laikhidre hairi laikhidraba miyo asigi maming oinam amujau chahi kun apokpa pakpi wabagai lamding chingdagini mahaki mayumsu miyam na ngarang athengbada sidokre hairi Portraits and Landscape ki matangda nongmagi oiba Advanced Photography Workshop ama Classic Hotel da pangthokre Nikon India Northeast Division sinba workshop asida mioi nimfurum na saruk yaki Nikon India Northeast ki area manager Kumar Keshor Kalitana workshop asidagi photography gi chapchaba khangdaba yadaba singadu khanghanbani makhatana Kolkata dagi akhang ahising kauduna December thada su amuk Imphal da pangthokani haiki
In Manipur and in Imphal, we have a very good response of photography, and there is a great group going on. Everyone is interested in photography, so we have tried to do this, and we are getting very good response today. The seats are almost full. We have around 40 seats. It will go up to 50. We are doing a full day workshop, including lunch and all, so that participants are comfortable. They enjoy the workshop and they learn. We have a dedicated technical team member who has come all the way from Kolkata, and he's here for 2 days. He'll take them for our training. Stay here. Any doubts, he'll help them. And then we have next workshop again in December.
Hindustan Coca-Cola na saba maza mango drink ta kokwai manba polam yauramba thengnari hai mahi si singjongmai gi mafam amadagi mioi amana thaknaba leirubada kokphai amadi amuba polam kya yawba thengnakhibani hiramasigi matangda mari leinaba department na midyang changhaningi hairi Kunithoi suba sector gi kuntaret suba Assam Rifles na Longchai Khulda sana khona bagi polam kya khusinakre Soibam Lekai de Leiba Usus School gi Mangarak Suba Chahi Mapung Pharak Pagi Thoram School asida pangthokri Thoram asida Education S ki Director Oiramba W Rajen amasung Okram Henry Susaruk yaki School asigi aphaba mahiroi singda mana mathum piduna pungning thogatki Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Able Person Manipurna Thanga Tera Khongsang Bimadi Kwakta da Leiba Disable Oiraba Myoisingda Masa Masana Haijaba Tabak Singi Darkar Oiba Machak Sing Yenthokre Myo Yankai Romda Center Sigi Secretary Premier Yauna Center Sigi Mute Sing Chatuna Yenthokibani Maruiba Pau Amuka na Pizari Manipur ki culture amasung chinjak Southeast Asian leibak singa manabana India ki Act East policy chatnarakpada Manipur na khwadagi khudongchaba phangani haina China ki India da ambassador oiriba Liu Cheng na phongdokre amadi Assam Rifles na mayumdagi kauthokiba miyoy ama lalhobani haina police ta sinaramba thawongbu yaningda phongdoktuna warukok Santipur da khongjang changsinkre miding tabiri bapuna mabu amuka na khurumjari